Excitement pulses through the air as we unravel the secret recipe for making money online. Imagine turning your passion for pinning into a profit-making venture. Today, we're diving headfirst into the thrilling world of Amazon's affiliate program and the creative powerhouse that is Pinterest. Buckle up because your financial journey is about to get colorful. Picture this: a cozy afternoon, a cup of coffee in hand, and you scrolling through Pinterest, pinning your favorite finds. Now, imagine every pin having the potential to fill your wallet. That's the magic of Amazon's affiliate program paired with the visual wonderland of Pinterest. Now, let's talk about Amazon's affiliate program. It's like being handed the keys to a treasure trove. You sign up, choose products you genuinely love, and Amazon gives you a special link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. And with Amazon's vast selection, from tech gadgets to home decor and everything in between, you're spoiled for choice. Enter Pinterest, the virtual vision board of the internet. It's not just a place to daydream, it's a goldmine waiting to be explored. Think of it as your personal gallery where you can showcase the products you love and earn money at the same time. Create themed boards, gadget galore, home sweet home, fashion finds, let your creativity soar. Now, let's talk strategy. Each pin is a doorway to a potential sale. Craft eye-catching pins with compelling descriptions. Use high-quality images and captivating captions. Highlight the benefits, the must-haves, the game changers. Pinterest is visual, and visuals sell. Creating pins is a breeze. Pin products directly from Amazon or design your custom pins using tools like Canva. It's your artistic canvas. Add a touch of your personality, sprinkle it with enthusiasm, and voila! You have a pin that's not just a picture, it's a sales pitch wrapped in creativity. But wait, there's more. Pinterest isn't just about pins, it's about communities. Join group boards related to your niche. Engage, share, collaborate. The more eyes on your pins, the higher the chances of earning those commissions. It's a win-win collaboration where everyone benefits. Now, let's talk numbers. Pinterest provides analytics that are a goldmine of information. Understand what's working. Which pins are getting clicked? What time is your audience most active? Use these insights to fine-tune your strategy. It's like having a secret weapon that optimizes your earning potential. And there you have it, fellow pinners and future online entrepreneurs. With the Amazon affiliate program and the visual allure of Pinterest, you're not just pinning dreams. You're pinning your success story. So, start pinning, start earning, and let your passion for products pave the way to financial freedom. Happy pinning, everyone!